Mixtures and compounds. Students, on last day we discussed about the mixtures and compounds and what type of mixture and the compound used to occur when we are used to do in the laboratory and in our kitchen daily basis. So we read about the mixtures that here the homogeneous particles mainly are used of the same type of constituents, those which contain itself. So that's why it makes a various type of composition as well as the elements of the compound just mixed together to form a mixture and no new compounds used to form. So from there easily physical change used to occur, or we can say that with the help of physical change we can easily differentiate among the organisms or among the substitutes which we use for making the mixtures, as well as we can see that the color almost remains same according to the constituents, and the state doesn't change. Okay, or if it is changed, so we can reverse it back. For example, if we say the sugar and water, if we take sugar into water and dissolve it, so we know that sugar cubes will be dissolved properly and it will make a solution. But with the help of the evaporation process we can easily take out the or separate the sugar and water again. So from there easily we can say that these always go for the physical changes, and from there no new substance or no new reactions, as well as the color, the smell of the properties, it doesn't change. Okay, and we can say that from there, as it always contain the physical change, so it is not a time taking matter, as well as it is not dangerous or effectful for the students or for the juniors for experimenting on this matter. But if we say compounds always go for the reaction process, and from there we can easily expect for the new substances along with the new smell, along with the unique type of color, and the combination formation that comes after making the compound of using or mixing or amalgaming more than two or three substances or constituents together. Okay, their actual properties of the separate components it just change itself when they combine together, and color almost come as same, and a unique kinds of feature it shows along with the new unique properties, as well as a smell. Sometimes it occurs and sometimes we often observe that there is no smell. Okay, odorless. So from there easily we can find out the compounds from there, and separation of the compounds is going to be different methods, different tough experiments or hard experiments used to do, and sometimes it happens that we get failed to separate the different constituents from the compound substances. Okay, and sometimes also students as well as teacher take lots of precautions before doing any kinds of chemical reactions, because some reactions are there those which are quite effectful for our skin, okay, for our health, because some health hazards chemicals are also present in our laboratory. Okay, so we must have to keep safe for this matter. So from there easily we have understood that mixture and compounds how they used to provide together the concept of it, and generally we can understand the actual or the basic concept on the physical change and the chemical changes. Okay, after that recent I will send you the flowchart on this matter so that it could be clear to you all.